akwawe udi ti assembly papa be yourself Justice Bonne ono na mayor the chief justice of the country bra ya huna mani o me say the NDC is organizing everything the besi organ mind wem akwawe udi ti assembly okan ento aso
youthful days I gave somebody 70 years. Atayi, I gave him 70 years. And what I told myself was that if Atayi was given 30 years and he comes
Papa be yourself Justice Bonne ono na mayor the chief justice of the country bra ya huna mani o me say the NDC is organizing everything the besi organ mind wem akwawe udi ti assembly okan ento aso
youthful days I gave somebody 70 years. Atayi, I gave him 70 years. And what I told myself was that if Atayi was given 30 years and he comes back, my family will be the first family he will attack. So by the time he comes back after 70 years, I'll be dead and gone. So you see.
Me be ma sana papa we kaye enye funny o. Hey, na me video we hu. Me hu video ya me kwa ase na me hwe commenter. Ghana for binu mema na yema reho na me yam mafu mensono muete ya kasa wo ye judge ya as a judge o de mra na oman Ghana edi bu oman no Constitution and a bo or mine ho ban no. So we a judge ya. Sell too many a yapono and no who be a dia mra I war my num. So ye judge ya. The what court where yen say. As a good judge, ya wajin ye juma wonye a primitive manner, onye autocratic, onye yen can say military rule. Se nipa bi de na semba court ho. Ana ye di obi ba court wo se di na sem as a judge ya. Na wadwene ye adwuma boni e wo wiase nyina sa mra na e wo court ho no boni bia e wo ho asofwe enti se di obi ba se wadi boni bia as a judge ya wunimu nyansa na wo ye judge papa na se bia wunya judge funtumanka ya tete enom ye we ye mfa wo ho ye koje amponche e de abeye fufu adi anajo a anyum Saturday Sunday a bone na nipa na di no obefa saa bone no na wakohwehwe mranom de mra no kire se yemfa nye saa nipa na waye saa bone no na wo de saa so twe no ama nipa no. Judgment does not lie in the bosom of a judge, as people says a lot, but rather judgment rather lie in the bosom of the rule of law. Tebiyepa enti sa kwase ampanyini we momfa nche mama ntwe kakra mama hwe na nbuga asema papa ne kan ye no asem bi so ne ekipi ne secret ye nka na wa bonten sa jeji otimi hwe wanim ka kire wo se olono wa sentence obi wa man 70 years not because say Ghana mra ne kire se nipa obedi boni we ye man 70 years o. But ena mono no oti hono sura osuro se nipa ni free prison ba obetumi aha ono nti no o man 70 years and say oti hona ndc ye campaign no ka kire so o the judge bi ba na o wene aba na ye fa ntrotra kwan so ensemone kwan so on constitutional way chrono kwan so epam the sitting judge ekofo nipa bi on ti say baso mra meye the chief justice of the country kai hu say we are going to live in a country untumi enkasa untumi nyehwe especially if you are an NDC MPP person because directly sa papa we yo ti hoyi on famra net eye adwuma wo court o tom ono aneka o osi enam ono ankasa esura na ewo ni musa atayi se o de mrana de ekire ne mano na otayi free prison ba obeha ono ne na busua enti papa wei a sentence say atai not because say emra na kire say ye man 70 years o na eyo no ankasa ne personal decision. And the send this if I from akwa we yaba so mra me chief justice kai hu say the NDC is coming to do a clean job bia your friend political persecutions. Now the Ghana for am say am before person konko to aba ye nyina ye tim ye behu asem na papa ne kan na mu edrupa o enye funny sa asem ye papa we kan ye. If it was in any serious country, this man Nkanidin, his name would have been Sponge, a sponge from the names of judges in the country. Sasa na papa we kano unim de ye crime kese pa, judgment crime na ye freno, a judgment crime. Say me be ma say wutie me yie na wokaya won say ye bu obi aten e wo court mu a ye ka say bia krono we ya obo ye emra na kire say wo say nka ye ma minimum of 4 years up to maximum of 8 years. Enti that space na emra na dia ba no e na wo ye judge papa uhwem na wa heard the conduct of the person or you committed to that crime. No, was it premeditated or not premeditated? Yeah, was it an organized crime? And I say you fum to a debi no yeah. You didn't be no one name. Now what the situation and what balance it now what mano. Ada said the minimum requirement amrani bisau and I said the maximum fear amrani demo asobe tum dia man nipa no. You don't sit in a court as a judge and give judgment superior than what the laws in the country are telling you the judge to give to someone who committed crime. And this year, we be transform metrana. For example, omna medi chamawun to minasema. Are politically exposed? Now, sans the opponent of the ruling government. Na papa we yo tihoyi. Eye NDC aban so na appointing and so meye chief justice in mysterious way. Upon what we have heard from our ears, do you think say akwa we ought to hoyi or the mra ebeye juma anase obeye the burden of John Dariga Dramani Mahama man? This is what we are facing now. And this papa we ought to hoyi, he is a criminal. Me, I'm telling you, he's a criminal. This man is a criminal of judgment. Anyway, a friend abuse of power in office. Now he is so confident in him. Confidence, I was so high to the point to say he is saying this into the ears of all Ghanaians and people at the back there laughing. I think there are many diaspora anta moheme bebre motie brochi na moheme. Emra bia boni bi obedi wo wiase bia oman ya wo so no emra no eka de wo say yemfa ma punishment wo say yemfa ma. So a judge should not sit in his office in his chair to punish or to sentence a criminal or someone who committed crime more than or less than what the laws of the land is asking, or the type, or more than or less than the punishment that is reserved to that person who has committed the crime. Oh yes, sir. Either say we are corrupt judge because your case come out and a woman lower judgment, lower punishment. Ana uye corrupt judge, your opponent ama usika. In fact, yes, me can say one of the nipa no the case in the no one man usika na na me no sunti no o twe ba akona so abro so. Ana say you are a judge, you don't abide by the laws of the country, which is more dangerous. Number one, to me, one kasa personal feeling and a judgment. That is whom we call the nominee, Chief Justice nominee, Bafu Bone, or a criminal of judgment. He don't fear. He don't feel. Or can't say no with confidence. Or can't say no with confidence. So what judge or do be a courtroom 70 years? And yes, I was able to me the bonnet. Be away the bonnet 9. They are show at once. Near was a word away a bonny way now. It may come feeling in our boom near the amount not yet. Now the aqua can't say he gave the 70 years to the guy just because not was thrown on a life. Did Atayi threatened to kill you and your family? No, he didn't. It is your perception. And perceptions are not part of the judgment in the court of jurisdiction. Hey, but Ghana for a bomb on some comment me kwasi no. Na me were aho. Say a potential court a chief justice. Can't some enti say. Now NDC I don't know why when you join that party called NDC you become stupid. Automatically you become stupid. When I join the NDC, first thing you are doing the NDC sympathizing manner of brain, artificial one. Near the good team. I will send it to you, bro. Near the good team. So when you are reasoning like a fool. Nipane can't say he made judgment of his own with his own willing, not because of what the law says. And foolishly, you guy Ghanaians are prouding for him. Look at that man sitting at the beyond. Papa wa botai. We are buying a piano car. Sapa poyoti. Justice Bonnie Chihoy. I buy a piano car. But I drink a danny team no woo. I drink a woo. I drink a woo. I pronyansa nim. Sankro way. They are the cost of why we are here. Because one dreaming yajuma, omuwe papa, omu no mumie eye baba na omuari dia pass exams, and omudia kotna ho, and omudi nkwasi asem. Who born dog? Kokan sembi etise wam in the court of America. Kokan sembi say in the Parliament House of America, Italy, Germany, but now look what will happen to you in just 2 minutes. Police if we betray when she actually will say a criminal of judgment. The Ghanaians were proud for that. A situation where somebody is caught with his own on one eka or a testimony of his crime, self-testimony to his crime, admitting, say, he has given a judgment, wrong, just because he wanted to send the person into the prison without any other support of a law in the country. It's a shame. Bafuboni, you should be ashamed of yourself. Bafuboni, you should be ashamed of yourself. I don't care. I have to tell you the truth. Because the NTNDs, if we push you, the abaning in say, John Dramani Mahama wants stupid men like you. And Crawford Mandri Mundo, Adreno e Mundo. In the realms of power. In the realms of power. In the realms of power. Now, all the moyen burden. na mo bɛka mo ano ato menam se mo benya kakra di. You are such man. And in term Mahama na ni abe dendende se oma obuo bra na be chief justice no. Because wo utumi transe kan asem bi enti say no. The asem bia Mahama be kan kire obia no. You will do it because you will not even caution him say, "Mama, the Lord does not say so." Unka, because you don't have the sensical thinking. Because asem we kura no. So you'll be our chiranka, you will not come outside to say this. And Kamobi Kuranka, he's confidently telling the whole Ghana and the whole world to say he has sent somebody to prison, not because the law says, but because of his personal feeling. Bafuboni, what go when he must pamon tia asema papa ikaye. SK, I will send it back. I will send it to you.
In my youthful days, I gave somebody 70 years. Atayi, I gave him 70 years. And what I told myself was that if Atayi was given 30 years and he comes back, my family will be the first family he will attack. So by the time he comes back after 70 years, I'll be dead and gone. So you see.
So what? That is what is happening in a country called Ghana today. Because we are going to experience a government a more than dictator. Fake democracy with myopic men. With myopic men on the tables of power. Hey, Yehuna man. I will say my dear phone last night to me for now watch our game. Now SK, I will send you the video as soon as I close from here. My dear phones now tomorrow person flow to me for now watch our game. Ha, hey, Ras Media GH. Message about modern. I like the video, no subscribe. Na become busian ko no home. But modern so we do nsa ebesi adoma no so say be made the video tuma. Be one of the first people. Oba be kan yensa na no adi juma. Me chia me SKB TV ye. Richard Mate Michao, Frank Kofi Michao, Mame Nolida Nyako Michao, Mame Monica Michao, Evans Ankama Michao, Mame Francisca Michao Yepa, and Bafo Francis Michao, me aba Joase Wawosu Michao, Kennedy Lewis Donko. So if a man who was twice a vice president can be considered as a stranger in a party, then who else is considered as 100% member of the party? You said it well. You said it well. Best offer in the first Tribune one Timinka. Yantuasiana over Timinka. Yeah. Hello, Mame. That is saying.
Hello.
Hello, Timinka.
Good evening, Mr. Mafo.
Mame, it is saying.
Hello.
Hello, Timinka.
Hello.
Hello, Mpacho Timinka.
Pronto.
Pronto.
Me senti.
Si, ti sento tu.
No. Hello.
Hello, Otiminka. No.
Hello.
Hello.
I'm sorry.
Hello. In any case, I was young for things that this problem will not solve. Mammy, because I'm from here there. A boom so.
Hello.
But what do you say?
Mr. Mafo.
What do you mean?
I don't know. Hello.
But what do you mean?
Line, we have said Emma. No, what is it?
No, your partner, I swear.
No, something goes wrong. No, I don't know.
Hello.
What is going on.
Hello.
Hello. 1 minute.
Hello.
Let's close this. Oh.
Yes, I'm good. What do you mean? What do you mean?
Wow.
What do you mean?
Hello.
What do you mean?
Good evening.
Good evening, mommy. It is saying.
No, what is saying? Money adwuma. Yɛte yɛn ho nka akyɛ. Sempre occupato penniente però sempre lo ascolto.
Grazie.
Money adwuma menhyira ɛne nkyerɛkyerɛmu a wode ba bɛma nkurɔfoɔ te deɛ ɛkɔ so na menhyira wo na ndisifoɔ de mesia animguaseɛ ɛfiri soro mahama pontis de bɛka fam kyerɛ sɛ obiara ni hɔ a ne ho te
Nabi o, adwene ne nya adwuma mo.
nti animguaseɛ na ɔmode bɛfiri aman no mu na nyame pɛ ɛbɛyɛ hɔ soso.
Amen.
Because trɔ ne naadaa na ɔmode ba a ɛbɛka kyerɛ Ghanafoɔ a ɛsɛ wɔn yɛ deɛ wɔn pɛ no biribiara sɛdeɛ wɔahyɛ seɛ no ɛwɔ awieeɛ na Nyankopɔn so ma nipa mmerɛ nti wɔn mmerɛ bɛso ɛna indigede yobo yo soso wɔn de ɔne ne nkorɔfoɔ na wɔn toto yɛ pankwa dɔkta ɔbaadabɛn ɛmfa ho Paul amantam sɛ di kanfo yɛ motive no nti deɛ wɔn bɛka biara deɛ te sɛ ɔde nsuo koraa butuo na yɛhwie nsuo gu akyire. So number 3 obiara nkɔtoma number 3 na deɛ wɔn ka ne deɛ wɔn awe pɔtɔɔ ɛno nti ho na ntɔkwafo no na ato akeka ɛno ho adwuma na wɔn yɛ no ɛna ɛsɛ koraa na anim kohu sɛ wɔkɔ baabi hospital bi na wɔkɔtɔ machines ne nneɛma a wɔrekyɛ bo ebi kan wɔse ka ne deɛ ɛbɛto ɔbɛyɛ bɛwie no ne sika nyinaa bɛsa ɛhɔ ne ne danfoɔ ɛsɛ wɔbie n'ani ɔnam ne yɛyɛ ne sodium na wɔkorɔ obesu te sɛ deɛ osu yɛ ayɛ ka ma bɔ ka gu ɔbɛka ne times 3 ɔne nyame nya adwuma yɛbɛte yɛ wo nka wae
yɛ maame Diana yɛte ne nka maame me da wase yie paa sɛ waba wafrɛ abam because mete wɔn ka kyɛ I heard sɛ na yɛ sɛ obi frɛ maame Monica yɛhwɛ sɛ ɔbɛte me nka wura hello maame hello
Are you talking to somebody that you calling me?
There be me no kasa. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
It is saying.
Hello, Randy.
Mommy, it is saying. Hello.
Laptop.
Mommy, it is saying. Yete unka.
Laptop.
Mpacho kasa. Yete unka.
Hello.
Hello, mommy, it is saying. Yete unka kasa. Hello.
What's wrong with your speaker?
Yasemo. Nim dia kokura o adentia. Bacho timenka. Utimenka. Hello. 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 I think say problem insist. I don't know what is happening, but I was saying to me to Basan, I may hear the echo because it is not fair. Say Obibe Freona Nipano ente onka. It is not fair at all, and really I'm little bit pissed off. As a paravekano. I am a little bit pissed off because Nipano Frewa is soon to me no kasa, and I don't understand why. Mentiasia Kuramaya, Mentiasia. I don't know why this thing is happening here. And hopefully, Mammy, try her, dear uncle, dear Nancy, you're the see her. Mammy, try her. Hello, Bachot Menka. Hello.
Hello, Rasta.
What you Menka?
Rasta.
Mame, what you Menka?
How are you?
What you Menka? Hello.
Rasta.
Bachot Menka. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
What you Menka? Hello. No. Media medium. I think say No. Mama Monica, I don't know. I have to sit down and make sure say I get it done. Since I have to sit down and make sure say I get it done before I'll pick course. Because it is econo. I say I don't know what is happening. Really, I don't understand. Actually, I don't understand. And I don't know what is going on. Let me try this last one. Anye yedi anese. Yedi ena anye yedi na huaji. Pajo otimenka. Hello.
Hello.
Otimenka.
Hello, Rasta.
Otimenka.
Rasta.
No, I'm so on Timinka. There's something wrong with my phone.
Hello.
Hello, Timinka. No. Mama Monica, Mr. Afacheme, there is an issue here that I have to solve it. I'm on Sovua. Enkoye kura. Nti Mr. Waso de Afacheme. Someone to me, and I will anchor Sabetochna. My mother said, meet me a solve sa problem wena. Sabio, Obana Fremia. Wants what to me at Menka because it's not actually fair. It is not actually fair at all. Say Obefrena, Yakasana, Yenti, Honka, Tim say it is not the right way. Nti Abusia de woman famun see her, now Ochna, Yankoponya Adoma, Yaba, Yaba mother say to me, Akura Bibia, Sedebaya, you offer more. And then at the same thing happen here. Until I have to solve it one before I come live and do more videos. Medamo nyina se medamo ebesi ha na ya ne ochna. Mr. Mo wa want to me enemy ankasa because of my problem no. Mr. say maning how fache me ye pa enye me fault enye me wishes senke be koni say. Na bibinti ena ekonisa ntomeso se facha me pa na ochna ana ochna chi bibia ebe kose de ese na efata maka mu nyina da mu nyina se nso ene mo bre ama mfanchia kakra ema mami Monica mami adwoa se wa mami Monica de na enye juma kura and I don't want to. I'm going to try be a there. Let's see what will happen. We a microphone here, housed here. Hello. Bajotimenka.
Hello.
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 I don't know what is actually happening here. But I want to try and make sure that the fault come from. Bachoma Otimenka. Bacho.
What is that?
Let me try this.
Hello, Rasta. Menchunka. Dabi.
Everybody comes to our factory.
Oh.
So far, and Kuyukura, so the factory. And I will not What is going on?